Auto check, auto check. 1, 2, retake, auto check, 1, 2, auto check. All right, so this is what we have. All right, so this is a Altium import. So let me show you what's going on here. Uh, so what's happening here is um, when I import it. Okay, so when I imported these symbols, um, it looks like the grid that were made, it doesn't match the grid. So when you right click here, you see grid with 50, right? So for example, when I try to connect this line, it will show, let me show you one. So I corrected this already. So let me show you the one that it's not corrected. All right, anytime now. All right, so what I notice is if you go, so I made a library, imported from Altium schematic, and so I name it. So but this is taking forever. All right, so if we go to the end, we should see. Okay, so maybe you can see here. All right, let's say this. Let's select this. If you select that and try to put this back. Mm, copy, Control B. So let's wire this up. Okay, so here's the problem. See, so when you try to put a line and you try to connect, see the line doesn't connect to this point. So this comes from the root. So if I do properties, that should show root dial. So this is the original, and the one I corrected, I live in the same library. So when I imported all the symbols from that schematic, it put the root, that zero mirror. So all the symbols came in, but the grid, it's, and some of them, it's having this issue. The one I'm showing you right here. So now here, this is the corrected version of it. So how did I correct it? So all right. So the one I corrected, it doesn't have root. Okay. So this is the library. So this is the dial that I fixed. So the other one, it says, it has the same name, dial bass 40, but it has the root. So let me show you. If I put this one here, and so something in the import doesn't work right. Look. So now I try to finish this. So that wire is not connected to the symbol. So what I had to do is take the symbol and so this is the corrected version. So what I did is move the icons. I went into the library properties, edit symbol library. Okay, so here, grid, I make sure it was in 50, and I move these icons around and reconnect it. So now this is the control copy, control V. So now once you do that, look, no problem. That's right where it's supposed to start. So no problem. So this is the problem here. So this symbol might have been done in a different grid. So when it was imported, it has the grid, and I don't know the size of the grid, but the default here is 50. So I also noticed some of these symbols here. Okay, I could show you. So over here, so this is an example. So look, so I tried to connect from here. I tried to connect here. So look, it doesn't connect to the point because that symbol, it was done in a different grid. So now over here, I already fixed it. So if I take this out, all right, so maybe that pin has a problem, but I correct this one for sure. Yeah, that one's done. Finish wire. All right, so this is a perfect example. Let's fix this one. So I'll go here, select the symbol, properties, go to edit library. All right, so make sure the grid is on 50. Okay. Now I'm going to do is select this, move, and move it this way, move it that way, then save it, and close it, save it, and do update symbol. All right, so now it should be fine. Look, see? That's the problem I was talking about. All right, so that's what I had to do for this one. For this IC. And okay, another, so that was the problem. So here you see these all are grounds. Now if you look on the top, I couldn't make the connection, so let me delete this. Delete. So now if I pick this and the right click and pin helpers wire, so look what happens. All right, so we have there, right? So move this one. So now I connect. Look, see, it's not connecting. All right, there's some weird thing happen here. So I had to, like I did with the other one, I had to move and fix the problem inside. The same thing with this. So now you can see here, this is the fixed version of it. There's no problem here. Okay, another thing that I like about this, let me select all these pins, go to pin helpers, Eric label, and then you move, you select and move it out, and then you have the wire with the name. I did this all in one shot. So here I didn't have that problem that was having here. Can connect. Okay. It wouldn't connect. Okay. So that's because it has a different grid. All right. So that's what all I want to share for now. So the way I import it, I went to import non-PCAD schematic, and I select my files, and I have this, and so, so that's some of the problems you could see that could happen while you're doing that when you do import from Altium. And so now I have corrected this symbol, that symbol, and maybe I have to correct this one. I don't know yet. But for now, we're going to leave it like that. And I'll put the other components. And but I have this symbol is fixed. It's fixed now. So if I go here, this one, it's the so now if I do wiring, look, I could do this one shot with the pin helpers wire, boom, right? And then if I need this, select this, boom. Hit select there and move it out. And then select these pin helpers, wire down. Okay, so let's see, I believe I fixed it already. So select those pin helpers, wire. Right click, pin helpers, wire. All right. And then I select the ground and power PND. Okay. Now here, take a wire. Then see, go from here all the way to there, to there, there. I believe I there already. Okay, maybe this one's not fixed. I gotta fix it. I thought I did. All right, I might have moved when I was retrying the test. Okay, so okay, let's do one more time on this side. So let's select all these pins and then pin helpers. And now go here and pull it out right there. So it should be straight. So to me, maybe I moved it. Um, yeah, because it looks like wider gap here. So I go to properties, edit symbol from library.